Hello friends, I Suman Kumari, Assistant Professor in Biyani Girls B.Ed College. I welcome you all on the behalf of Group KPU. Today I deliver a lecture on types of sentences. It is related to teaching of English. Sentence. Sentence is the arrangement of word. Without arrangement, the words have no meaning. It is of basically two types. Types of construction or structure and types of meaning or uses. According to types of construction or structure, it is of three types: simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. According to meaning or uses, it is of four types: affirmative, negative, interrogative and interrogative negative. First of all, we discuss about construction. Simple sentence. If we speak he goes to school, here we can say that it is simple sentence because it consists of one finite single verb. One finite single verb is goes. So simple sentence is the sentence in which we find one finite verb. Compound sentence. Compound sentence is the mixture of two types of sentences in which we have one independent clause and one dependent clause. For example, he works hard so that he can pass. Here the word so works hard is the independent clause and he can pass is the dependent clause. Dependent clause have no meaning without independent, so it is fully depend on the independent clause. Complex sentence, as the name indicates, it is the mixture of more than two or three independent clauses. They are freely have their own meaning, but they are interrelated and convey the one sense or one meaning. For example, the boy who wear blue shirt is my brother. In this we have three type of sentences: the boy is my brother, the boy who is wear blue shirt, yeah, who wear blue shirt. It is the mixture of three independent clauses and they are freely have their meaning, but here he convey the one single word: the boy who wear blue shirt is my brother. So it is the example of complex sentence. According to meaning, a person speak more than three types of sentences. If we talk about past, he can use past tense, and if we talk about present, he uses present tense, and if he wished about future, he can use future tense. But he speak only four type of sentences. First of all, affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences is also known as simple sentence and he has only statement. For example, he takes bath daily. Here he conveys simple information. And then negative sentences, he does not help anybody. It means he is the negative person and he is not interested to help anyone. Then interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences is the sentences in which we find out some inquiries. For example, do you study in third class, or do you belong to this particular place? In this we have some inquiries. And the interrogative negative is the mixture of interrogative and negative. Do you not help anybody? In this sentence we have the two types of mixture, interrogative and negative. Thank you for watching and listening me, and you can log in our website for the further detail www.gurukpu.com. Thank you.